Hello guys, this is KineMaster and today I'm going to tell you how to edit video with KineMaster from Inshot. So guys, let's start this video. So guys, you can see the interface of KineMaster, and this is KineMaster asset. You can see it. By clicking on it, you can download effects, stickers, music, and sound effect. Almost all of these are premium, but some of these are free. So like this is free, and this is premium, this is premium, this is premium. Let's go and edit our video. So now let's edit our video. So by click on it, you can see these the options. First one is vertical video size, second one is landscape size, and third one is square video size. So I'm going to edit vertical video. So click on it. Now choose a video or photo. So I'm going to choose this video, and so click on make 720 copies and click on. So guys, wait. So guys, the process has been done. So by clicking on this video, you can see some features here. So by here you can display it. So now click here, now click on here, then click on display it at play ahead, then click on, then click here, then click here. Now you can see. So now if you click on this video, then you can see some features like speed. You can make a video speed faster or slower, and color filter, voice change. You can change your voice, and even you can extract audio like this. So I don't want to extract audio. So now this video is muted. You can see this. So click on this video. Now click on audio. Now click here. Now this is done. So guys, so you can see this video. So you can see here plus icon. So click on media. Now I'm going to put video between video. So now you can see. So now I'm going to put animation here. So animation here. So click on this video. Now click on, now choose a animation. So this. So I'm going to choose this effect, this. So click here. Now you can see this animation. So this is amazing. So now, if I want to put photos to a video, then click on layer. Now click on media. You can put video or photo. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to put video. So this green button. Then click on chroma key. Now click here. And now you can see, but I'm going to put this button here. So I to drag this video to video here. So now so guys, next one is next. So first I'm going to put audio music to this video. So click on this audio. Now click here, music asset. First let me choose a music. So guys, I'm going to choose this music. So click on this plus icon over here. Now click here. Then you can see this music. So click on this music. So I want to decrease the sound of this music. So by here, from here you can decrease the sound of the music. So guys, you can see this KineMaster is amazing now. By click on this, you can see overlay. By here you can add stickers, and you can download some stickers from KineMaster Asset Store. So this is KineMaster Asset Store. By here clicking on this voice, you can record your voice, and you can add your voice to your video. So by clicking on handwriting, you can put this thing, this black, so this thing. This. So you can see this. And you can drag this like this. So now you see this. So I mean cut this. Now I'm clicking split ahead. Then you can see this. Cut this from here. Now this is done. So you can see this. So guys, this is amazing. You can put a lot of things. You can use chroma key and more effects. So guys, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And I'm going to tell you, I only use two video editor. First one is KineMaster, second one is Inshot. So guys, in my next video I will make a video about how to edit video with Inshot. So see you in that video. So guys, for now, bye bye. See you in Inshot tutorial. Bye bye.